Hi guys, good morning. I woke up and got a tip from someone who is probably a much better gamer as me. As you know, I'm still super noob. And he said, look, why don't you use Mangohud, right? So Mangohud is now on our repository. Haha, that's how it goes. So you read about Mangohud and it's gonna be this, right? It's gonna show you the CPU, GPU, VRAM. Haven't seen that, but you get all kinds of information, and what we are interested as gamers is the frames per second and other things. So that's the website, and I looked up what I should do for Steam. Here is the word. Just use the search, right? Search on the page and read anything Steam relevant, because I have the Euro Truck ready, and then you see it actually working. Plus, I'll go in details how I did it. So it seems to be always at the maximum of 60 frames per second. It's still the same PC. We'll check about the name later. It's an NVIDIA card that I recall was the 970. We'll see. So I put everything full again, full resolution, and there was also a tip out about scaling, I think. It's probably still active, not sure. Let's have a look. 200% scaling. Said, why don't you do that? Okay, apply, right? 400%, and see if that's good for you. And then we go back and we game drive. Driving away to Dresden. Still on the road to Dresden. Those will be the videos. Eric is still on the road to Dresden. Okay, quit. So you see the buttons up there, the information that's there. I've done it, it took a while, by creating this launcher, opening it, adding Mangohud in front of it, plus, there is a plus went in here, if he's responding. So it opens up normally a window, but he's not responding. That's the thing, right? So Steam, respond please. This can go, so I can show something. So Euro Truck Simulator, this thing, properties, and then we have, I've added also here Mangohud, and then well, I found it on the website, percentage command, percentage, and that seems to be to do the trick. Maybe there's another way. I'd like to learn more, if there is. I don't know if I need both of them. It felt like it did, so removing this would be, I think, feasible, but not sure. I guess it is possible. So now we know. Trial and error, right? Trial and error. There we go. That seems to be working, but do we have the thing up there? I don't think we have, you see. I think you need both of them. But anyway, so it's not working. If there's another way, please share it, because like I said in the beginning, I'm quite the noob. Alright, bye.